Today, we take a tour through a world of creativity, innovation, and craftsmanship, all gathered under one roof, from energy to safety solutions, furniture designs, and insightful masterclasses. This exhibition I visited showcased the best of ideas shaping tomorrow. This is Space.com, a show that is all about the environment. And what is happening in our environment today? It is Design and Build Lagos. It is an exhibition holding at Victoria Island, Lagos, Southwest Nigeria. From my environment, you can see some of the things being displayed. It's not just here outside, there is more inside. So today on the show, we are bringing you Design and Build, and it's all about what Nigerians are doing. We're going to talk to solar builders, furniture makers, all that you want to know. But it is Space.com, and Gimalo Angel Ologoke is signing on. Join me. My first stop was the solar technology stand, where the team showcased clean energy solutions designed to power homes and small businesses sustainably. From compact solar panels for personal gadgets to high-capacity inverters for large installations, the display was both educational and inspiring. I learned about the efficiency improvements in solar cells and how newer batteries now last longer, offering more stable power for off-grid users. It's refreshing to see how technology is being used to tackle everyday energy challenges. So you're still watching Space.com on LN 24/7, and we are into the exhibition proper. And I have AWPS. If you can remember, in our previous episodes, we've had Dr. Onwuasoanya, the president of AWPS Renewable Energy, and he has shown us a lot about solar. In fact, they call him Dr. Solar because he knows it all, and he's here at the exhibition. Thank you so very much for having us.
It's nice seeing you again.
Yes, it is. I was so excited when I saw him because he has a wealth of knowledge, and I like knowledge. Okay, so let's get into this exhibition. What made you come for this exhibition, Design and Build?
So we didn't plan it, we just fell into our laps.
Okay.
I got a phone call on Sunday telling me that they had space, I should come and display, and there we are, just like that. So Sunday, had a meeting with my GM. Monday, she put it together. Everything you see here got built Monday. By Monday night, it was ready.
Oh, that's great. Okay, so what are you offering people at this exhibition?
So there are no freebies. We're not really offering them anything enticing,
Yeah.
but what we are doing right now is we're having conversations, and then we're scheduling free surveys, free energy audits. And then based on the result of the audits, we can give them pricing. So that's what we're doing right now at this. But it's more of creating awareness, showing them alternatives, showing them better ways to do solar. So that's what we're doing right now here.
So tell me, what's been new? What new things have you had since the last time? It's like a year that we talked. So what's new?
The last time we spoke was April, when we did that exhibition at Radisson Blue.
Yes.
Okay, so what has changed since then? We have a new vendor. See that one there?
Okay.
Siege Energy.
Okay.
They allow us to incorporate smart homes into their app. So what can I do now that I couldn't do before? So now I can turn my AC on and off from the inverter app. I can turn my pumping machine on and off from the inverter app. I could see how much energy they're using. So from the inverter app, I can do things. I could see how much each of these items are using. I can turn them on and off. I could program them to come on based on certain conditions. So now you have true smart home automation from your inverter app.
Okay, so we'll see a demonstration, right?
Yes, we'll see it. Don't worry, don't mind. Thank you, Daniel. And then it shows gen power 1 horsepower, right?
Okay.
So that AC is on. But you see the consumption is very, very low.
Very
it's
low.
Consuming
0.02 kilowatts.
Thank you. So that's what we're able to do with this. It's consuming actually 200 watts. But so you can monitor everything you have connected. So I can add multiple devices. I can add multiple devices to this. So if I want another device, I touch this. It scans it, finds the device, it adds it, and then I could monitor and control it from here. So I could see the consumption of that device. I can turn it on and off from here. Yeah, there are many things you could do. So the office now, I'm the one that controls the AC.
Okay.
So as long as the conditions are met, they can put the AC on. If the conditions are not met, they cannot put the AC on. The only way they could switch the AC off is using the remote. They cannot turn it off from the power switch anymore because I control that. So it's amazing what you can do with home automation. So what excites me, right? The biggest cost we have when we design a system for a customer is air conditioning. Why? Because homes are very warm in Nigeria. Why are homes warm? Homes are warm because of the building technology we use today. We use cement bricks, right? Cement blocks. Our forefathers before used mud, laterite, and laterite homes were always cool.
Yes.
But because we associated laterite with poverty, we moved away from it and started building concrete homes. If you remember, if you've ever gone to the village, right, they had that calabash that they put water inside.
And make it cold.
And when you drink the water, it's like you're taking water from the fridge, right?
Yes.
So I'm like, okay, why don't I translate that into building homes? So for the last, since May, we've been making mud bricks. As of 3 weeks ago, I had 32,000 of them. 32,000 mud bricks, 6-inch and 9-inch bricks. And believe it or not, because I'm making them, they cost me less to make than it cost me to go and buy. So I bought solid bricks. They're costing me 600 naira per brick. I made solid bricks. They're costing me 260 naira per brick.
What raw materials are you using?
So what raw materials am I using? Laterite, red mud. So 75% of the brick is laterite. 10% is cement. The other 15% is sharp sand. And then it's compressed. Once you compress it, you let it, so it goes through a couple of processes. The first one is you water it for a week. So you water it and keep it covered. And then after the week, you can let it dry out. So you don't put it under the sun. By the third week, it's ready for you to use. And it's as strong as the fired ones. You know, the red fired bricks is as strong as the red fired bricks. But you don't go through the environmental process of using hydrocarbons to heat up the brick. Now you just use nature to do it.
Okay, that's good. So what more can we expect from you? You know, you're Dr. Solar.
Yes,
Is the only solar? Last time you talked about hydrogen and how Nigerians are not really.
We're not there yet.
We're not there yet. Even wind.
Even me, I'm not there. So wind. I had a conversation with someone about wind yesterday. And the thing with wind is they are very difficult to deploy in urban areas, especially a place like Lagos. You have too many buildings close by, and it affects, yes. So it doesn't really make sense to deploy wind. If you're going to deploy wind, it has to be pretty high, and it has to clear the next tallest building by quite a bit. So we don't bother doing it. It's just cheaper for us to do solar. And then we use a backup generator, or we use the grid as backup. So that's what we need, yes. The last part about this brick, it is fireproof.
Yeah, you said it's fireproof
and bulletproof. Yes. And it keeps the house 5 degrees cooler than the outside.
Even in hot season?
Yes. So what it does is, at night it releases heat, and during the day it keeps the place cool. So that's what it's able to do. It's amazing. We maintain temperature the same all year round.
Good. Is there anything else you want to let out?
Come and buy from me. Like I said last time, my customers are not poor people. If you're a business like LNT47, come to us for a free energy audit. www.awpsre.com. Dr. Solar on YouTube, that's me.
All right, you heard it from Dr. Solar. He's actually Dr. Chris Onwuasoanya, and he has been taking us through solar and this new
Sustainable homes.
Yes, sustainable homes.
Sustainable homes, yes.
Generally, yes, because bricks are coming now,
Yes,
and it's like taking a blast from the past coming in.
By the way, that method is not new. In North America, they call them Adobe homes. They build homes with mud. In India, they do it in India. In South Africa, they do it in South Africa.
So we're bringing it back to Nigeria because we had it before.
You want to hear the funny thing?
Yes, tell me.
South Africa now is the largest manufacturer of the equipment that used to make these bricks. Just look at them.
You?
Nigerians.
Nigeria. Yes, because
two Nigerians from Jos went to machines they made in Jos to South Africa. And now the largest manufacturers of equipment are South Africans. So we took the technology to them, and guess what? They are selling it back to us.
What? Okay, I wouldn't say sad. I'll just say we should step up to what we used to know how to do best. We should step up, yes.
And mud is not poor. Part of the reason why people run away from mud homes is because they associate it with poverty. But if you enter one of these houses, right, the walls breathe, the air is clean.
So when you do those bricks, can you cement it, plaster it, or you just leave it that way?
It looks beautiful like that now. Why would I want cement it?
Okay, so nice. I think that's why people don't really, because they want to finally paint.
No.
Can you paint it?
But yes, you can paint it. So what you do is so you're not going to use traditional paints. You can, but I wouldn't suggest it. So what you do is you use something called lime wash. It's a natural pigment. And then you mix in the color you want, and then you cover it. It serves two functions. One, it improves the durability, and two, it gives you the color you want.
Color you want.
Yes.
Beautiful.
So there are many ways. The new business is called AWPS Sustainable Homes.
Okay.
So I'm pretty excited to launch that.
Congratulations.
Hopefully one day when we're talking, you'll be saying, this is real estate mogul, formerly Dr. Solar, now Dr. Real Estate.
Yes, most definitely.
Yes,
thank you so much, sir. I will be talking to Dr. Chris Onwuasoanya on sustainable homes, not just the solar. We're talking about bricks, bringing back our bricks. Let's do a hashtag, bring back our bricks.
Yes, not bring back our children, bring back our bricks.
Bring back our bricks,
yes. So in fact, we'll start using that now, bring back our bricks.
I gave it to you, remember?
Yes, so if they pay us $1, we'll give you one penny.
Good business.
Yes, so.
All right. Okay, you've been watching Space.com on LN 24/7. We'll be back with more. Stay with us.